Hello friends, let's make lemon baked chicken today. I've made quite a few baked chicken recipes. You can check out the links below. So let's get cooking. Here I got 4 chicken breasts. I'm going to make a few slits across so that the spices are absorbed. Ever since I've learned how to make baked chicken, I've been making it very often. I just like it. I have the recipe for the sauce in the description below. You can check that out. Then all you make these slits, just make sure that the spices are deeply put into the slits of the chicken. This looks good. Let's sprinkle some parsley. Let's give it a good mix. I've added a little bit of olive oil. Plate them. Slices of lemon. It's a good idea to put it over the chicken because the juices will be released in the chicken. This looks good. Let's add a little more olive oil to the chicken. Yes. Alright, our pan is nice and hot. You're going to put it in 90 minutes at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. After the first 45 minutes, you're going to flip it over. Let's put it in. Wow, look at this. Look at this. If you guys like this video, please like it. Consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.